Hello my 3D printer peeps, I'm here with the Anycubic Kobra 4 and the Ace 2 Pro. Let's have a look at how to use the filament drying function of the Ace 2 Pro from the Anycubic Kobra 4 screen. Here on the screen of the Kobra 4, touch the filament icon. On this screen, you will see your connected Ace 2 Pros. I have one. You will see the filaments currently installed. I have two. On the screen, you will see the current humidity inside the Ace 2 Pro. To initiate drying, we will first tell the machine the parameters we'd like to use by touching here in the drying temp. This will bring up a series of menus. You will select the filament you have installed. I have PLA, so I will touch PLA. The default temperature is 45. This is an acceptable conservative temperature for PLA drying, and 4 hours is an acceptable conservative time for PLA drying. Some people are more likely to use 6 hours. 4 to 6 hours is a reasonable time for filament in reasonable condition. Return to the previous menu by pressing the check button to accept your changes. On this screen, you will now see your temperature and runtime, and you will notice PLA has been turned off. That is because you overrode the default parameters. Should I touch PLA again, you will see the time has changed back to the default of 4 hours. To initiate drying, touch the check button. And you will see this slider has shifted right, and it is now blue, indicating drying is in process. You may touch this slider to turn drying off. To turn drying back on, simply touch the slider again and touch the check button. With drying underway, you will see the countdown. When this countdown reaches 0, the Ace 2 Pro will automatically stop drying. The Ace 2 Pro will now dry up to 4 filaments inside the machine. The entire chamber is currently drying. With the Ace 2 Pro in the drying mode, you may also initiate a print and continue drying during that print. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.